Hi, and welcome to another Nick Palmer computer tutorial video. In this computer tutorial video, I'll be teaching you how to make a tracker bullet in GameMaker. This means that the bullet will both point towards the mouse and will follow the mouse. So first we need a sprite, so I'll just create a new one, edit it, and make a quick bullet. Get my rounded rectangle. And a quick bullet. So now I want to crop it with a border size of 1. And there's my very quick bullet. Now, you want to make sure that your bullet is facing to the right. This is very important. Otherwise, the bullet later on in the video would be flipped, and the back end of the bullet would always be pointing towards the mouse, and that's obviously not what we want. So we can close that, and now we can make a object for it. obj_bullet, and give it our sprite. Now we need a create event for this, and we need it to execute a bunch of code. So the first one is direction is equal to 0. And this just sets a variable direction to 0. You could also do this with this here. I could say direction is equal to 0. I misspelled direction. But we're going to do it in some code. And next we are going to do move underscore towards underscore point, and GameMaker will actually self-correct you, and it will tell you down here if you have any errors and what that error is. So the first thing that I'm going to do is mouse underscore x, comma, mouse underscore y, comma 10. So this tells the compiler or GameMaker that move underscore towards underscore point, so it should move towards mouse underscore x, mouse underscore y. And that's just the coordinates on the game screen of the mouse at any given time. And then this blue highlighted 10 is the speed that it will be going at. And it will be going at a speed of 10 in this case. So now we need a step event, just a regular one. And we need a bit of code. Direction is equal to point underscore direction, x comma y, comma mouse underscore x, comma mouse underscore y, paren end, and then okay, so this tells the game that the direction which you set in your create event is equal to the direction of mouse underscore x, mouse underscore y. And now we can say image underscore angle is equal to direction. And this changes the angle of the image itself in order for it to look like it is turning towards the mouse. And I'm just going to comment this out here and say this tells the game that the direction is towards the mouse. And whenever you're writing code in not just GameMaker, but pretty much any language, a comment is just 2 forward slashes, which is very helpful because none of this will be actually read by GameMaker. It's just for user friendliness. And I could also comment this out and say this makes the bullet go towards the mouse. And this sets the direction to 0. And this right here just initializes the entire thing. So, or I could say in some languages star forward slash or forward slash star. Yeah. This initializes the bullet tracker. And then anything else that I put after that will be a comment until I put forward slash star again. Maybe it's star forward slash. Yes. And all of this will be a comment, but I don't want that, so star forward slash. And the difference between forward slash and forward slash star is that forward slash just gives you a comment for this line only. Whereas this one gives you a comment for every line, but you need to tell the program when it's done. So this just says, hey, buddy, this is where your comment starts, and then this just says, whoa, there is the end of the comment. You can stop with this comment stuff. Now, I believe we can just put it in the room and run it. And there you have it, a tracker bullet. If you guys have any questions or comments, you guys can email me at nickpalmer789@gmail.com. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.